Myself, Dr. E. Kumaraswamy, this course instructor. I am going to instruct you the linear IC applications, which is the subject offered by Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. So, as per the university syllabus, I am going to explain what is an operational amplifier as per the unit 1. The content of the linear IC applications: Unit 1 operational amplifier, Unit 2 op-amp applications, and Unit 3 active filters, Unit 4 timer and phased lock loop, Unit 5 digital to analog and analog to digital converters. So these are the textbooks as per the university, and these are the some reference textbooks. So coming to the unit 1, we are going to discuss about operational amplifier. So in this, before start, what is an integrated circuit? Where do you use an integrated circuit? Why do you prefer integrated circuit to the circuit made by interconnecting discrete components? That is, why it is better when you are comparing to connect a same circuit instead of discrete components. First, go with the definition of integrated circuit, which is in short we call IC or chip. Okay, so here the integrated circuit, in short IC, is a miniature, means mini size, low cost electronic circuit consisting of active and passive components that are irreparably joined together on a single crystal chip of silicon. Means, instead of by adding this definition, there is a simple you can remember. That is, you are connecting discrete components on a silicon chip, but we are not connecting this as physical discrete components, but to get the electrical property of the discrete components are going to be fabricated on a silicon wafer. So that is, the size is mini and the cost of that IC is low. These are the two important points you need to memorize, and you are going to connect all the active components: diodes, transistors, FETs, MOSFETs, and passive components, which are RLC components: resistor, capacitor and inductor. Means, to get all the active and passive components electrical properties are used to fabricate on a silicon sheet. So that is the reason we call it is a crystal chip or silicon, or simply a chip or integrated circuit. As integration means you are connecting all the active and passive components on a silicon chip. What are the advantages of this integrated circuit? We are using nowadays in different areas of communication, control systems, instrumentation, computers, electronics. In all these areas, we used integrated circuits or chip. Because of the advancements in the chip, we are now using the thin or very slim electronic gadgets. These are the main advantages of integrated circuit as it is compared with a discrete component circuit. The first and foremost important is the size of the circuit becomes very small with IC, and the cost involved in that same fabrication of the circuit is becomes very low, and it is also less weight, and the power supply requirement for this is also low, and the power consumption is also low but high reliable, and this can be used as matched devices. Means, you can connect the output of the circuit to the next circuit without any additional buffering units. And the foremost advantage is the performance of operational performance of the ICs becomes very fast.